In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move emails from the Promotions tab to the Primary tab in Gmail. Managing emails can sometimes be a bit challenging, especially when you're trying to keep track of important messages that may end up in the wrong folder. But don't worry, with a few easy steps, you'll be able to streamline your inbox and ensure your emails are exactly where you want them. First things first, you'll want to open your Gmail account in a web browser. Once you're logged in, take a look at your inbox. You'll see different tabs at the top, such as Primary, Social, and Promotions. These tabs help you organize your emails, but sometimes emails you consider important land in the Promotions tab and don't get the attention they deserve. To move an email from the Promotions tab to the Primary tab, start by going to the Promotions tab. Look through your emails to find the one you want to move. Once you've located it, select the email by clicking on the checkbox next to it. When you've selected the email, you'll see a new series of options appear above your list of emails. Look for the Move To icon, which looks like a folder with an arrow on it. Click on that Move To icon. A drop-down menu will appear showing various folders. From this menu, simply select Primary. By choosing this option, you're instructing Gmail to move that particular email from the Promotions tab into your primary inbox. If you're doing this for the first time, Gmail may pop up with a small message, asking if you want future emails from the same sender to always go to the Primary tab. If that's the case, and you want to ensure all similar future emails go to Primary, you can confirm by selecting the appropriate option. It's a straightforward process, but what if you have several emails you want to move? You can select multiple emails by clicking the checkbox next to each one you want to move, and then follow the same process. Click the Move To icon and select Primary. This bulk action can save you a significant amount of time. By consistently moving emails from Promotions to Primary, Gmail learns your preferences over time. This means that it should start automatically categorizing your important emails correctly in the future. It's a bit like training your Gmail to understand what's most important to you. Remember, keeping a tidy inbox not only helps with productivity, but also ensures you don't miss out on essential communications. So, take a few moments to sort your emails once in a while, and you'll likely find your email experience improves significantly. Now go ahead and give it a try. Happy emailing!